Hi everyone, and hello to Mitzi, who is joining us for drawing drills. This is an image that she was working on, and she was focused on kind of plane and angles of faces and parts of the faces. So I just had a quick tip for her that I wrote about on the website, but I think showing this demonstration will make it a little easier for you to see. So when you're looking at an image, you can decide the angle of a reference by holding your pencil to find the angle that you see, and that angle, no matter the size of your drawing, should match. So here, if we look and compare, when I draw this, you can see that this lines up with her drawing, but it's not the same angle as the one that I drew on her image reference. So this means that there's some correction that she needs to have here. And the same goes with the side of the face. So you could do this again and go, okay, well, what kind of line and angle do I see for the top part of the cheek and face? And here we can see that the angle is quite different on the drawing than on the image reference. So you can do this as much as you want around a face and go, well, what angle do I see here? What angle do I see for the bottom of the chin? And that can really help you with accuracy, especially with faces, but really this applies to anything. But I think sometimes with faces we can be more intimidated. So I hope this gives you some insight into how to kind of, these are little things you can look for in terms of capturing likeness that can really help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the group.